So we had seen the different thinkers. Now moving on to modern trends in sociology. So what are the modern trends which are there in the sociology subject? Sociology has been today draws upon the firm foundation of developed by William Durkheim, Max Weber, and Karl Marx. The trio has been seen by some sociologists as the epitome of modern sociology. Okay, so the three people, Durkheim, Weber, and Karl Marx, are seen as the important pioneers for the modern sociology. However, the discipline has not remained stagnant over the last century. Sociologists have gained new insights which help them to better understand the workings of society. Contemporary sociology reflects the diverse contributions of earlier theorists like G.H. Mead, C.H. Cooley, Talcott Parson, Robert, and many other speakers through the pages of current research. Sociologists accept the 21st century to be perhaps the most exciting and critical period of history discipline because of growing recognition of social problems. So what happened? We see the points. Modern sociologists are Karl Marx, Weber, and Durkheim, but the ideas is been their ideas are slowly going down. Okay, but because in 21st century it will become very strong to read about sociology, the far-going long description and analysis about the nature, perspective, scope, subject matter be incomplete if we do not reflect on the modern trends in sociology. Notable among them are Michel Foucault, 1923-94, Abrams, Bourdieu, Jacques, Anthony, and somewhere the other applicable influence of course of sociology, especially the methods of investigation which these people have given. The new generation of sociologists have used the main concepts of tools of sociological research such as habitats, reconstruction, structuralism. With their effects, new perspectives have developed such as post-industrialism, post-structuralism, post-modernism, neo-functional, neo-Marxism. So the new kinds of sociologists give the new concepts for us like structuralism, modernism, etc. The types of questions the classical thinkers Comte, Durkheim, Max Weber sought to answer: what human nature, why society is so structured, why and how do societies change, what direction will change take in the future, are the same questions modern thinkers are trying to answer today. So the what our Comte or the early thinkers thought, the modern thinkers are trying to bring answers for it. A modern world is the racially different past as the impact of development. Now the tasks of sociology to help understand the rapidly changing world. Okay, so what is changing the world? They're trying to bring out the aspects what the modern thinkers say. Okay, what are our modern thinkers are saying? First one is Pierre Bourdieu. Bourdieu, the objective sociology is to unveil the hidden culture of society. So he's trying to bring the hidden culture of society. For achieving the objective, sociology should study the cultural practices in masses rather than classes. So you have to study the culture, not the classes, then you can understand sociology. As such, sociology should take up culture analysis as the primary concern to uncover the political uses of science, the advanced forms of racism, be new Marxist, emphasis on the cultural and politic to calls counterculture. Okay, so he's like a neo-Marxist. Okay, where talking about that Marxist ideology somewhere it's something because of that reason he talks about counterculture, a culture which is against the establishment of culture. Okay, what should be the shape of sociology? Answering this question. Okay, in his later works, Logic of Practice, a craft sociology, observed that subjective and objective aspects of social life are inescapable bound together. So it is not easy for you to escape from the subjective and objective types of sociology, such that there is no fun in the dualism of macro structure versus agency. Instead, the calls for constructivism approach to sociology, transcending both essential and ideas taken from the granted in everyday life. Okay, so you try to take the ideas from the everyday life. Next, you have Habermas. Habermas, perhaps the most influential social thinker today with the explicit analysis to Marxist thought, he is known as the best spokesperson of the Frankfurt School of Critical Theory. Okay, so he talks from the view of the critical theory. After the several criticize positivism. Okay, so he criticized positivism. In his opinion, as limited understanding a natural of social world. He has been severe critic capitalist society. So he critic the capitalist society. According to him, change is ever present tend to destroy the moral order. So if there is change, it destructs the moral order. They in fact depend. We live in a social order where economic tends to predates over, but the situation creates a back meaning in everyday life. Okay, economy is something development, but something is there that pulls everything down. Okay, next you have Jacques Derrida. So French philosopher and a postmodernist who himself declined to call the sociologist, but who was definitely made imprint on the modern sociology. Derrida, his ideas are developed primarily from the linguistics. Okay, so language. Through his most popular concept, deconstruction, he had pleaded for the deconstruction of sociological texts of founding. So he wanted to deconstruct the books of the founding fathers, okay, like Derek Camus, everyone. In this opinion, these texts deceptify the social reality. They always unravel the truth of society. By deconstruction, Derrida means that textual reading is not always correct. So he says always reading a text is not correct. Okay, it does not lead us to know the reality of society. So deconstruction brings out the text, exchange, showing the operates. Okay, when you do deconstruction, it brings a new kind of thought. Operate of indicible text. It is task of sociological deconstruction the narratives of text through the explicit and implicit analysis. Next, you have Michel Foucault. He drew heavily on the postmodernistic thought. In his work, Attention illustrates the shifts of understanding which separate thinking, modern world of earlier ages. In his writings on crime, body madness, and Foucault analyzes the emergence of the institution of prisons, hospitals, schools, increasing the role of controlling the monitoring the population power through the discourse of shape and attitudes, exposed discourse establishment, countered by the competitive exams, knowledge become more force control. So he says that knowledge is something, it isn't force control. A prominent Foucault writings is way of power of knowledge are linked technological survival. Okay, talks about survival, enforcement, all of those. Next, you have Anthony Giddens, inventor of theory of structuration. Giddens argues the sociological emerged as an attempt to make a sense. Okay, social is something which will make sense. Transformation between traditional and modern societies. As change has continues gather pace and so attempt to understand it become more important. The change involved are just large scale, major shifts have been occurred in the most intimate personal characteristics. For example, the transformation taking place after marriage and family. Anthony Giddens has accepted the idea of some sociologists and society have existed, but then too based on he accepted it, but he's saying there's some change which is not made in the society. He argues human action and their reactions of the real reality. Okay, so he talks about the human reactions. Next, moving on to pure and applied sociology. So all sciences contribution knowledge based on the solutions and resolution practical problem issues. All such we have the pure science or pure sociology, applied science and applied sociology, which I have already seen. Pure sociology is a branch of knowledge with primary concern for the practical use. Okay, so we will have a practical use. Knowledge from knowledge sake of main aim. Scientists who seek knowledge is mode sake move towards the question of alternating mother and father who protect nourish the children without accepting anything. Okay, so we have where it is something scientifically we have to do that. Okay, mother father taking care of the children. Okay, parents commonly love their children without calculating the usefulness. Many students researchers science feel that the same there about their work. Okay, so you have to love your child unconditionally. That is there within you. You should not count how much you should love your children. Okay, the same way the scientists were doing. Pure sciences, physics, chemistry, bio, botany, physiology, political science, psychology, anthropology, and sociology are concerned with the advancement of knowledge. Okay, so they talk about the advancement of knowledge. Their main aim is to investigate and underline the principles, to understand the principles. Social world sustain change in the national order. They are concerned with the practical applications, immediate national, the global, including the formulation of scientific laws. Okay, so what they are trying to say is we have F. Fraud, American sociology, saying that pure sociology is the fundamental roots of social structure and social change. Okay, so where in pure sociology we will have change in structure and society, who believe sociology as a value of science, but this view is no more accepted in totally by sociologists. Okay, but the sociologists are not accepting this viewpoint. Next, you have applied all the sociology. Okay, so applied means we try to go and do the research. Okay, practically we try to go and do the research. All branches such as engineering, medicine, architecture, social work is not considered with the theory. Okay, you should have formulas. If you have to give something, you have to have evidences. Okay, the same with sociology, you have to have evidence. The social science, example sociology, like sciences have the function, they serve the help to people. So sociology is something which will help people to solve their problems. Okay, the same to explore, to understand the world around them, to understand the world completely around them. And there is an interest of application and interest in understanding. Okay, the way they try to understand when social scientific find an applied sociology, it is called applied sociology. Okay, so when social scientific they try to apply it, it is called as solutions for social problems, it is called as applied. Okay, we try to see the problems and find a solution, then it is a applied sociology. Sociologists making a study of social structure of Muslim and going in study of poverty, about dowry, everything, then you try to apply it. Okay, though sociology and social work do not share common tasks, still mistake regard sociology equate social work, social welfare. Okay, but studying of social society is something really vast. Okay, then types of applied sociology: clinical, social engineering, social work, applied social research and action. Clinical is something where you have psychologists who will go sit, like psychiatrists who will clinically ask students like what's happening in their life, and they will try to bring the problems which they are facing. Then social engineering is the design of social problems and institutions, specific person, and plan social change and develop. What are the developments to be made in the society? Social work is helping out the people who are being there in the society, like don't have a basic thing. Then applied action research. Okay, then we have like survey research and evaluation research which should be made, and program should be given for the business firms, for the people who are suffering. Then action sociology. Actions is a form of applied sociology, is asked to participate development programs to be given. Okay, in India find example of approved in this Sulabh International. Okay, the Sulabh Sauchalaya started by the sociologist Brindeshwar Patak. Okay, so action trying to bring out the problems which are there in the society and giving the importance for people. By this we come to the end of this chapter, students. If any doubt, you can just ask me the questions. You can forward me your questions.